Exercise 3.2, question number 3. Question number 3 ma cha, on comparing the ratio A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Right? Ratio compare गरेर we have to check whether these equations are consistent or inconsistent. हैन त कसरी गर्ने अब so let us consider the general form of the equation. General form of equation is a1x plus b1y plus a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. Second equation, because pair of linear equation we should consider two equations, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So these are the pair of linear equation in two variables. Here x and y are called variables. A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 are the real numbers. Okay, so this is the general form. So in these questions, on comparing the ratio compare garera, we have to check whether the equations are consistent or inconsistent. So for consistent pair, we have consistent हुनुको लागि चाहिँ we have A1 by A2, A1 by A2 is equal to A1 by A2 is not equals to A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2. In that case, the equation will be in that case equation will be consistent. Is the y भने चाहिँ consistent हुन्छ. If A1 by A2 equals to, suppose को लागि B1 by B2, A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2, C1 by C2, or A1 by A2 if A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, or A1 by A2 book मा पनि लेखेको छ नानीहरुले बुक बाट पनि हेर्न सक्छौ. A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. In such case, in these two cases, the equation will be inconsistent. यो दुईटा भयो भने यो कन्डिसन आयो भने चाहिँ इक्वेसन कन्सिस्टेन्ट हुँदैन. कन्सिस्टेन्ट हुनुको लागि this must be satisfied. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. If this satisfy, then the equation is consistent. Okay. So in this question 3 को a मा हेर 3 को a मा छ 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 हैन 3x यसलाई जनरल फर्ममा लेख्दाखेरि 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 छ 5 लाई अगाडि लिएर आऊ अगाडि आउँदा -5 हुन्छ 5 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Okay, first equation. Second मा छ 2x minus 3y is equal to 7 हैन 2x minus 3y is equal to 7 छ अगाडि आउँदाखेरि -7 is equal to कति हुन्छ जुत्ताखेर 0 रह्यो. Okay, so 3x plus 2y minus 5 equals to 0, 2x minus 3y minus 7 equals to 0. हामीले चेक गर्नु छ whether the equation is consistent or inconsistent. Okay, so consistent हुनुको लागि this must be satisfied, otherwise यो दुईटा भयो भने चाहिँ inconsistent हुन्छ. So here A1 is 3, A1 is 3, B1 is 2, C1 is -5, A2 is 2, B2 is -3, C2 is -7. So A1 by A2 गर पहिला A1 by A2 पहिला A1 by A2 को भ्यालु क्याल्कुलेट गर कति आउँदैछ A1 by A2 equals to A1 को भ्यालु छ 3 divided by A2 को भ्यालु कति छ 2 छ 3 by 2 आयो. अब B1 by B2 क्याल्कुलेट गर B1 by B2 b1 by b2 क्याल्कुलेट गर्दा b1 को भ्यालु छ 2 b2 को भ्यालु छ -3 so 2 by -3 so these are not equal आएन not equal दुईटा equal भएन so here a1 by a2 a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 hence the given pair of linear equation is inconsistent it is consistent pair it is consistent so it is consistent pair here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 so the given equation is consistent यस्तो आको भए चाहिँ इन्कन्सिस्टेन्ट हुन्थ्यो ओके यसरी नै नानीहरुले अरु क्वेशन्सहरु गर्न सक्छौ सो कन्सिस्टेन्ट हुनुको लागि we must have a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 if a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2 it is inconsistent if a1 by a2 equals to b1 दुईटा बराबर भयो अर्को मिलेन भने पनि इन्कन्सिस्टेन्ट नै हुन्छ सो कन्सिस्टेन्ट हुनुको लागि a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 हामीले यहाँ त्यही चेक गरे a1 by a2 3/2 आयो b1 by b2 2 by -3 आयो दुईटा इक्वल भएन these are not equal hence it is consistent pair